Hey everyone, my name is Josh Freeman and today I'm doing an unboxing video of the DJI Air 2S. This is the Fly More combo. I am super excited about this. This thing came out in April 2021 of this year on Amazon and I have been dying to get my hands on it, so let's see what comes inside. Okay, let's see here. This is what it looks like. Turning it around. It has this little pull tab that you just pull down on to break the seal. Let's put this right here, that'll work. And flip it over. Okay, so as you can see, everything comes inside the box, the carrying case. That is the Fly More combo. Ooh, very nice, very nice. Ooh, this is nice, all set up. I can just have it situated like this. Okay, so this is the carrying case. It has a strap here. You can kind of undo this, bam. It's a little paper that was holding it all together. I'll just throw that to the side. You can adjust this carrying strap as needed. Very nice, very nice. And let's unzip it, see what comes inside. Okay, bam, oh, looking good. Okay. So check it out. First thing, let's do the drone. Wow, so this is notably bigger than the Mini. Obviously, that's why that one's called the Mini. This is the Air 2S here, but still, you know, just instantly jumping out at you. This is a full-size drone right here, right? We have the full 1-inch CMOS sensor on there. They have the 4 directional optical sensors. You can already see those jumping out at you right there. And this is where you put the propellers into right there. Oh, very nice. The propellers are actually color-coded. So you see this one has the orange on there. The other ones will be just like solid black. Let me see if I can find one. There we go. You can see side by side right there. This one has the orange and this one is the black. So that's how you know which propeller they go with here. So let me just put that down right there. You can see it has the gimbal protector on there as well. Okay, so this is the charger. This is the cord that I'm going to use to charge it. Because this is the Fly More combo, so you do get the extra batteries. One of the batteries is likely inside the drone as we speak. Okay, so here's a battery. Bam. So you get 2 extra batteries. Let's see, on the Mini, the battery went right into the back here. Oh, the battery's right on top. Okay, so check it out. Battery's right on top of this drone right here. You just push these 2 side buttons in. Yep, just slides right in. So the battery goes on top here on this drone, as opposed to the Mini, it went inside the back of it there. So that's good to know. Damn, look at that. So on this controller, if you weren't familiar, on the DJI drone, the Air 2S, you get up to 7.5 miles of video transmission with this controller. When you look inside here on the top, there's another zipper across the top here. And let's open it up. Last time, that's where they kept the extra propellers. Okay, so let's see, on the top right here, this is the actual charging station right there. So as you can see, all the batteries just go into it right here. It's pretty simple, pretty intuitive. Just put it on top there. So this plugs into the back here. This is the power. This goes on top of here. So I go like this. And I can just put all the batteries on top. Charge them all at the same time. Super convenient. So these are the accessories right here. This is everything I kind of been looking for. You have the quick start guide right there. Let me open up all of these accessories here. Some more information, accessory user guide, disclaimer, and safety guidelines. Good stuff. Okay, cool. So here are the propellers / extra propellers. Here are the joysticks that actually, they have storage on the bottom of the controller. So you have extra joysticks. You have the joysticks, you take these out, and you would plug them in. You just screw them in just like so into the controller. Bam. And you can also store them in the bottom, right, whenever not in use. Super convenient, smart. And then you have 2 extra joystick controllers, little pieces, because these are little, so you know, in the event that you misplace them, you have a couple extras, which is always nice. Okay, I'm just going to keep those in the packaging for now. Oh, these are the ND filters. So you get 4 different ND filters there, 4, 8, 16, and 32. There are a bunch of really good videos out there that explain the best cases to use these ND filters in there. So I've already watched a couple, so I do feel moderately familiar with situations that I would want to use ND filters in there. Okay, so these are extra cables here. If you're not familiar, to connect your phone, if you put a phone on top of here, we pull this out, and I think the one that it comes on there is ready for the iPhone, but you know, if you don't have an iPhone, if you have a different phone, here are some other cables you can swap that out for. So this one has a lightning on there, but they have some USB-C and micro USB options on there as well, so that's super convenient, but you just connect your phone like so, and then plug it in here, and they have a little slot that you put it back into, so super convenient, so you can kind of have it all in one compact use there. So very nice. So here's a USB-C cable right there, and like I said, here are all the extra propellers. So these are propellers that you would use, and then obviously you have extra propellers in case some of them break for whatever reason. So that is going to conclude this unboxing. I've unboxed it and everything's here. Super excited to get out flying. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video and kind of got to see firsthand what you should expect when getting a DJI Air 2S Fly More combo. Hope you guys enjoyed this and stay tuned for more.